Mwekuaniro uria ukoretwo gumeire kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC riu ni wiyumiritie king'ang'a-ini thutha wa makamishna Consolata Nkatha uria ni munini wa muikariri giti wa kamiti ino, makamishna Margaret Mwachaya na Paul Kurgat gutiga wira kiroko kia umuthi.
The events related to the purported vote have greatly shaken our already feeble confidence in the chair. Given this severe deterioration of confidence in the commission chair, we find our position as commissioners under his leadership no longer tenable. Consequently, we regret to announce our resignation from the commission with immediately effect.
Makianira gutiga wira kwao atatu aya ni maugire kuheo rutha rwa kiahinya kuri murugamiri munene wa kamiti Ezra Chiloba hatari na wiguano wa makamishna othe ni kimwe gitumiria matigite wira undu umwe na utongoria moru wa muikariri giti wa kamiti ino Wafula Chebukati.
For far too long and way too many times, the commission chair has failed to be the steady and stable hand that steers the ship in difficult times and gives direction when needed. Instead, under his leadership, the commission boardroom has become a venue for peddling money, misinformation, grounds for brewing mistrust, and a space for scrambling for and chasing individual glory and credit.
Ningine makomithetie murutire wa wira kamiti-ini ino makiuga maundu maingi marekwo niguo kuhonia mabataro ma andu kiumbe na tikurutira muingi wira kuringana na mendekithia ma gatiba megie kamiti ino.
The institution has continued to be dysfunctional with arbitrary decision making, leaking of internal documents to serve personal goals and pursuing of personal interests, all of which are against the laid down laws that govern the conduct of the commission leadership and staff.
Ona kuri oguo muikariri giti wa kamiti ino ndumiriri-ini kuri nyumba cia mohoro ni augire we ndari aramukira marua ma gutiga wira kuma kuri makamishna Paul Kurgat, Margaret Mwachaya na Consolata Maina na uhoro wao gutiga wira arawona nyumba-ini cia mohoro. Ni athire na mbere na kuga kamiti ino ni kurekereria rivoti nginyaniru ihinda-ini riria riagiriire igie gutiga wira kwa makamishna aya. Gukiri uguo atongoria matiganite ni matugeirie itua ria makamishna aya gutiga wira makiendekithia makamishna aria matigarite gutiga wira ari ni hamwe na Wafula Chebukati niguo kuhe ihinda riganu ria gutheria kamiti iyo.
Ni heri jema wamefanya vizuri kujiuzulu, na hii sasa iwe ni wameweka barabara wazi kwa wale makamishna wawili wamebaki na mwenyekiti wa commission kujiuzulu, watoke kwa ofisi ili Wakenya wapate nafasi ya kutafuta viongozi ambao wataweza kuendeleza uchaguzi kwa njia ya haki, kwa njia ya kikatiba na kwa njia ya kisheria.
It is not about an individual as a commissioner, it's about the whole commission wira wanyura mukurutira Kenya. Nitweteire gwika census, nitweteire gukorwo tugika ithurano kuria gwakihagũrirwo maumirira ma githurano kiria turekire gya 2017, na ni undu ucio no njurie ororu kuri tene tutanambia kurwa ni tondu wa mihaka ni nguria mwitikire kureka tuthorime this body again and together tuote kumenya njira uria tugwika.
Gutiga wira kwa makamishna Consolata Nkatha, Margaret Mwachanya, Paul Kurgat na Roslyn Akombe ni gutigite ciuria nyingi hari uruti wa wira wa kamiti iyo, kuona riu aria matigaririire ni muikariri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati, Abdi Gulie na Boya Molu aria matagitua matua mothe megie kamiti iyo gigatiba. Gutiga wira kwa makamishna ana IEBC kwa ihinda rinyihire mieri 6 ni gukotomia murutire wa wira wa kamiti ino makiria riroretwo iguru gutabania ithurano nini undu umwe na kunina ngucanio cia mihaka gatagati ga kaunti iria ithiete na mbere na gwakiriria na njira nene guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.